Good morning to everyone. Wake up. It's time to come in for our morning stroll into the fairy garden and see what we had find. What is new out in the fairy garden? Well, look, the big welcome sign is out telling us to come right on in and see what we can see. Already I notice a few new things. Look, a new flower has bloomed. That's the best part of being in the garden. There's always something new and fresh that we've never seen before. And of course, my beautiful daylilies, always so beautiful and rewarding. Love them so. This is one of my favorite flowers. Now what you're seeing here, it is the seed pod, for they will have new flowers for next year. I did show the flowers in a past post. Hopefully you have seen them. If not, I do have the name of this flower somewhere, and I do need to buy some seeds because this year was terrible. I hardly got any of them to come back. So I need to buy some more seeds, it looks like. And here is our new little fairy that Grandma just bought. And doesn't she look precious in the fairy garden? And doesn't the beautiful succulents go so well with her beautiful red hair and her beautiful red, or I shouldn't say red, orange mushroom? Everything looks so beautiful together, and look at that sweet little face. Is she not a beautiful little fairy? Just love her so. I'm sure you're going to see a lot of her in the future. I will probably be moving her around into a lot of the new miniature gardens. And here is the cute little duck and ducklings. Doesn't this look like a very cute display? Not too big, but just perfect. Hugs, well, I was going to say hugs and kisses. No, we have more to see. This is just the first of 3. We have 2 more coming your way. So stay tuned, don't change that channel. We have 2 more fairy gardens coming your way. $9 for the mother duck and her little ducklings, and $6 for the fairy, a total of $9. That's all this fairy garden cost me. The total of this little miniature garden was $9. $6 for the pretty little fairy and $3 for the duck and the ducklings. Not too bad. $9. Now let's go see what a free miniature garden looks like. Well, here is what a free miniature garden looks like. Believe it or not, nothing in here I have just purchased. Everything here I had used before. Here is the Magic Castle, and as you can see what it says, happy ever after. And that is what she plans for anyone that comes near her castle. She wants joy wherever she sees it. Or at least that's what she says. We don't really know for sure, do we? She looks beautiful, and she looks like a fairy princess, doesn't she? With her magic wand. But we never know for sure, do we? And of course, what is in the tower of her castle? It looks like a frog. A frog with a crown on his head. What do you think she's done? Has she trapped a prince in her tower? We never know, do we? Maybe her life will be happiest since she's trapped her prince in her tower. We never know. Anyway, this is a free post. This cost me no money. Sometimes Grandma has free posts along with ones that cost her money. We have one more, and let's see what it's going to cost. This was a free post. Well, here is our third post for the day. This one is a free post. You know, Grandma always has to do at least 2 free posts every day, and we can spend money on one. Nothing here is new. I've had the little table and chair set. I've had it for, I don't know, 2 or 3 years. It's not new. And then the beautiful little fairy, I think I bought her the beginning of this year, but she's been used in multiple posts. And this beautiful hummingbird, I have had this for 25 years. It is a beautiful piece, isn't it? So you can see that Grandma did not just start with garden themes. She's always had them. Always enjoyed her beautiful garden. Hope you enjoyed this free post. So we had 2 fairy gardens that cost 0, free, and one was $9. So the total cost of all 3 fairy gardens was $9, because 2 of them were free. Hope you enjoyed what you saw. Grandma's doing her best to get caught up on her fairy garden she was behind on. We'll have a count at the end of the month how many fairy gardens I actually got put together.